At number 1, we have the Benchmade 535 Bugout. The premium everyday carry knife, designed and proudly manufactured in Oregon, USA. Its CPM S30V stainless steel blade ensures excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, ready for any challenge. Weighing in at less than 2 ounces, the Bugout is incredibly lightweight, yet built tough with a high-strength Gravory handle. The smooth axis lock mechanism allows for safe, one-handed operation, perfect for outdoor adventures, camping, and everyday utility. And with Benchmade's lifetime warranty and life-sharp guarantee, will keep it sharp for life. The Benchmade 535 Bugout. Yours for life.
At number 2, we have the Vosteed Parallel. The Vosteed Parallel is one of the most innovative modern pocket knives, combining an ultra-slim profile with premium construction. At only 0.28 inches thick, it slides effortlessly into your pocket. Despite its incredibly thin profile, it feels surprisingly solid thanks to its titanium handle scales and durable 154 cm stainless steel blade, offering excellent sharpness and edge retention. Its precision, machining, smooth deployment, and reliable crossbar lock reflect Vosteed's high manufacturing standards. Whether for office carry or outdoor adventures, the Parallel handles each task with confidence and offers a great hand feel. The Vosteed Parallel, elegant engineering and practical functionality in one refined professional package.
At number 3, we have the SOG Twitch 3. It continues the success of the Twitch series with one of the fastest assisted opening mechanisms on the market. Designed for speed and reliability, it's perfect for quick one-handed deployment using the flipper, tab, or dual thumb studs. Its compact size makes it an easy everyday carry, while the ergonomic handle offers a secure grip. The versatile blade handles everything from opening boxes to light outdoor work. Overall, the Twitch 3 delivers excellent performance and dependable construction at a competitive price point. Great value for money.
At number 4, we have the Benchmade 9x16 Triage, a professional-grade rescue knife designed specifically for emergency responders, firefighters, and anyone who values emergency preparedness. Its 3.58-inch partially serrated blade is constructed from corrosion-resistant N680 stainless steel, with a blunt safety tip to reduce accidental punctures. Benchmade's legendary axis lock provides smooth, secure one-handed operation. It also includes an integrated seatbelt cutter and carbide glass breaker. Despite its specialized features, the knife remains comfortable enough for everyday carry and performs exceptionally well during routine tasks. The premium build quality and dependable locking system make it one of the best rescue knives available. The Benchmade 9x16 Triage. Yours for life.
At number 5, we have the Coast Contra Folding Pocket Knife. This Oregon-made knife delivers impressive durability and practicality at an affordable price, with an all-metal construction and easy opening mechanisms. Its versatile 7CR17 stainless steel Warncliffe blade excels at controlled utility cuts and detailed precision work, making maintenance simple for beginners. A secure frame lock keeps the blade safely in place, while the compact design and lanyard hole make it easy to carry anywhere. Backed by a lifetime warranty, the Contra is an exceptional value, a dependable choice for your first knife or an inexpensive backup tool.